Hello, traders. Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your one-stop place for simple, smart, and beginner-friendly trading strategies that actually work. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful candlestick strategies out there, the hammer and inverted hammer trading strategy. This method is easy to learn, works in almost any market, and is perfect even if you're just starting out. So don't skip even a second, because one small detail could be the key to catching a winning trade. But first, a quick reminder. Trading binary options carries significant financial risk, and you could lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always trade responsibly, never risk money you can't afford to lose, and do your own research before making any trading decisions. Before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on new strategies, tips, and live examples that can help your trading journey. Let's talk about the tools you'll need for this strategy. For this setup, we're going to keep things super simple and effective. Candlestick patterns. We'll be using two powerful candlestick signals. The hammer, a sign of possible bullish reversal. The inverted hammer, a sign of potential bearish reversal. Indicator. To filter out low-quality signals, we'll use the Bollinger Bands indicator with default settings. That's it. No complicated tools or cluttered charts. Now, let's break down the trading rules. Sell trade setup. Look for a clear inverted hammer candlestick on your chart. The candle must touch or slightly cross the upper Bollinger Band. If these two conditions are met, take a sell trade. Quick tip: avoid taking the trade if the market is already in a strong uptrend. Buy trade setup. Spot a firm hammer candlestick on the chart. The candle should touch or dip below the lower Bollinger Band. If both match, go for a buy trade. Again, stay away from trades if the chart is moving strongly in just one direction. Time frame and expiry settings. Use 1-minute candlesticks. Set your trade expiry to 1 minute as well. This setup works well for quick entries and exits, especially in binary trading. Best times to trade: European session and New York session. Avoid trading during major news events. Price can become unpredictable. Risk management tips. Only risk between 1% to 5% of your account per trade. Never risk more than 10% of your total capital. Make sure you first practice this strategy using a demo account. Also, backtest it thoroughly on historical charts to better understand market conditions and boost your confidence before you risk real money. Check the video description for extra tips and step-by-step details. Now let's jump into a live trade example so you can see this strategy in action. Keep watching. You don't want to miss this. All right, traders, here we are on the chart. I've taken a buy trade based on all the rules we discussed. A strong hammer candlestick pattern has formed. It's clearly touching the lower Bollinger Band. And most importantly, the market is not in a strong trend, which is exactly what we want for this strategy. Now we just wait and see how this trade plays out. While we wait for the result, if you have any questions about this strategy, whether it's about the candlestick patterns, Bollinger Band setup, or entry timing, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I read every comment and try my best to answer as many as I can. Okay, let's check back in on our trade now. Great news! We won this trade. That was a clean setup and a solid example of how well this strategy can work when all the conditions are met. Now, let's wait for the next perfect trade setup. So right now, I've entered a buy trade following all the strategy rules. We got a firm hammer candlestick on the chart. The candle clearly touched the lower Bollinger Band, and the market is not in a strong trend, which is exactly what we want. Everything looks good, so now we just need to be patient and wait for the result. Trading tip while we wait. One of the most important skills in trading is waiting for the right moment. Many traders lose money not because of bad strategies, but because of impatience or overtrading. Don't trade just to trade. Only enter when your setup matches your plan. Almost there. Perfect! We've won this trade. That's a great example of how sticking to the rules can lead to consistent results. Now let's get back to the chart and patiently wait for the next perfect trade setup. In this case, I've taken a sell trade based on the exact strategy rules we discussed earlier. We've got a strong inverted hammer candlestick on the chart. The candle clearly touched the upper Bollinger Band, and the market is not showing a strong trend, just the way we want it. So everything lines up perfectly. Now we'll do what smart traders always do: wait calmly and let the trade play out. While we wait, let me remind you, patience is a big part of this strategy. We don't chase trades, we follow a process: clear signals, confirmed setups, and controlled risk. If you ever feel unsure before placing a trade, don't take it. It's better to skip a setup than to regret a rushed decision. The market always gives more chances. You just need to be ready. Also, if this is your first time using the inverted hammer plus Bollinger Band strategy, I highly recommend testing it on a demo account first. Get comfortable, practice, and backtest before risking real money. Another win. That's a wrap for today's trade. We used the inverted hammer candlestick, confirmed it with the upper Bollinger Band, made sure the market wasn't strongly trending, and the result? A solid win. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Use the hammer for buy trades and inverted hammer for sell trades. Confirm with Bollinger Bands. Lower band for buy, upper band for sell avoid. Strong trending markets use a 1-minute time frame with 1-minute expiry. Always trade during the best market hours and avoid high-impact news. If you learned something new today or found this strategy helpful, do me a quick favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a fellow trader who might benefit from it. Also, check the video description for more tips, extra notes, and links to helpful tools that can support your trading journey. Thanks for watching till the end. I truly appreciate your time. Until next time, trade safe, stay focused, and keep growing. See you in the next video.